when Chacha Nehru was born. This day is celebrated as Children's Day due to his love for the children. He was very fond of the children, and the children called him Chacha Nehru. This day emphasizes on the importance of giving love, attention and affection to our dear children.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय धीये विजय जय धीये विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता धर्म पुनीता वेधारा अक्षर धीये विजय जय धीये विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले ब्रह्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिनमान उदय धीये विजय जय धीये विजय जय
In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to work very hard. So we can take inspiration from our first Prime Minister about the hard work and success before work comes only in dictionary, not in practical life. In practical life, first you have to work very hard, then only you will get success. So we all should work very hard to get any success. Without work, we can't get success. So we should follow it. Then only we can achieve something in life. Otherwise, it is not possible. There is no shortcut to success. So we should work hard for any success. Thank you.
Children, the lady teachers are here to inspire you with their song, Datta Ma'am and her group. You can sit on the chair facing towards the stage.
We shall overcome someday. shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday.
To all, today on the occasion of 14 November and Children's Day, we all teachers of DAV Banyahi are here to present some rhymes. And before that, let's give tribute to Chacha Nehru with a song.
Chacha ji love children so much. Chacha ji this is the day for you. Chacha ji love children so much. Chacha ji this is the day for you. You love children deeply. You work for them bravely. You love children deeply. You work for them bravely. Chacha ji love children so much. Chacha ji this is the day for you. For our freedom, made our India stronger. For our freedom, made our India stronger. Chacha ji love children so much. Chacha ji this is the day for you. You want to say Happy Children's Day. Wish you on this day Happy Children's Day. Chacha ji love children so much. Chacha ji this is the day for you. May your wishes come true, fulfill all desire. May your wishes come true, fulfill all desire. Chacha ji love children so much. Chacha ji this is the day for you.
Now let's begin our rhymes. Come children, let's go for a ride on a bus.
Wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels of the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wheels of the bus go up and down, up and down, up mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush early in the morning. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Thank you.
Then you must have
Happy
like.
Children's to all of you and your children at home.
Now we have our Ganguly sir and Dubey sir with a musical performance.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले.
Children and my teaching faculties and non-teaching staff. Today, the auspicious birthday celebration of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. We assembled over here. Although you are not with us, you children, you are not with us. Due to this pandemic situation of COVID-19, we are far away from you and you are far away from us. Although we tried our level best to reach to you through online classes, by messaging WhatsApp, or taking examination through Google Meet, or circulating some circulars and information through website of DAV Baniahi. This pandemic compelled us to learn so many things. This pandemic helped us to be self-dependent. We do hope, with the help of our teachers, my teachers, you have got good feedback with respect to your course completion, with respect to your norms to be maintained in COVID-19, as well as how to stay in home in safe manner. We do hope, as Madam Banerjee has told, that very definitely and surely we will meet again, and we are praying to God that vaccine should come immediately, and definitely government will give some standard operating procedure to run the school, particularly up to 9 to 12. It may be in first phase, and after that in second phase for junior classes of LKG to 8 or 9. So we are praying to God, praying to Almighty that very soon we will meet with you. Children, thank you. Have a nice day.